All right, here is Sui. This is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, guys. This is the fastest growing blockchain on the market right now. Okay, I mean, the amount of adoption that's happening on the Sui network. They just launched ETFs on the stock market, a lot of growth. Okay, I found out about Sui back here at around $5. Okay, but we never want to buy assets when this wave is up here because that indicates that we've had a big parabolic move, right? This is when everyone's excited about the asset. This is when everyone's having a good time singing kumbaya, right? Well, when the wave is down here, that means we have pulled back, right? We had a tremendous pullback. This pullback was from $2 all the way down to the low of 40 cents. Okay, so our goal is to buy when this wave is down here and sell when it's up here. Okay, that's how we buy and how we sell. It's a very simple process, and you could see that we've gotten a couple green dots over the last few months. We had some in December right here at 130. Okay, and we also had some down here at 80 cents. The last one that came was right here at 80 cents. That was literally 85 cents right there on the dot. You're already up around 20%. So again, if you bought right here in December, you should have been buying more down here. Okay, so you're averaging down. Okay, we're beating all the people that we're buying up here, right? We have our cheat sheet over here. Okay, people want to buy, right? Most people are excited when things are up here. We want to buy when no one's excited, guys. No one is excited when we're down here in despair after we just went from $5 all the way down to what, 80 cents? This thing hit 5. Everyone was talking about it up here. Now no one's really talking about it down here at 80 cents to $1. But I think this is an absolute steal right now for the Sui network. I don't see that one going below that 78-cent low we got there in February. I think Sui looks really, really good here. This is going to be a sleeper, in my opinion, in this next leg up. I do think this is coming here into spring, into summer. I think we're going to get a big parabolic move up. I can definitely see this one back up here at $5, $6. My target is around 10 right now, just based on how small the market cap is, but they got ETFs now and all that. So all that does is bring more liquidity into the asset class. And again, you could see the best time to buy Sui was right here in July of 2024 at 70 cents. We came down and we tested that same exact level right there. Last time we hit this level was in 2024, and it went all the way up to 550. Okay, now it's all the way back down here again. We don't want to buy up here when everyone's screaming and shouting and saying it's the best asset in the world. We want to buy when things are in despair. Okay, we hit an all-time low on the fear and greed index this cycle, and I mean, the sentiment has never been worse, right? We're down here in despair. This is where everyone quits. This is where everyone gives up. This is where no one's having a good time. That is when we want to buy, okay? Warren Buffett says, buy when there's blood in the streets. When everyone else is panicking, when everyone else is selling, when everyone else is running away, that's when you want to buy. That time comes when this wave is down here, okay? And when everyone's excited is when it's up here. So I'm a buyer of Sui here.